Hey guys, I'm Ray Parisi with CNBC, and we are down in Florida today, here to check out the most expensive home for sale in Delray Beach. This is a $55 million listing. It is called Casa Maranello. It's named after the city in Italy that is best known for being home to Ferrari. So you're about to see some architecture that takes inspiration from the famous Italian car maker. We got a great tour coming up, but first, a little preview. Josh Yell on camera, he's on the one wheel, and we're going for a ride.
Going in through this $55 million home.
Let's give them a quick spin of the interior, and then after that, we'll do the tour for real. Wow.